Like that's what makes you like a top data scientist. But here, I mean, you're just telling me you're just following the crowd, right? Don't do that. I mean, you don't want to do that in any career you do, right? So, I would advise you to kind of, keep an open mind, that one, it might be overstated by whoever is hyping this up, right? It's one of those things where, one person had it on one single interview and then all of a sudden, oh my God, this is all they're asking, right? Or actually, you know what this reminds me of? I think about a month ago or like a couple months ago, there was that article that where Google had let go of one of their Python teams, and then it kind of got exploded on Twitter about, oh, well, Google's not using Python anymore. Python is out of Google because they fired this team, and it's like, that's silly, right? A company like Google has like hundreds of Python teams around the world. And there was like this one team, I think they were like based in Texas or something like that, and that was let go. And it's like, really? Like,